Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, my uncle again. But today I will be showing you guys my mom cooking Alfredo for dinner. Say hi.
Hi.
And I can't breathe. I just ran upstairs. But she'll be cooking Alfredo. She already started, but I'll show you guys. It might be a long video, but here's the chicken.
Ooh, the chicken.
Cooking. It's raw. We just seasoned it with all those. And we're gonna have broccoli in it. We have the water boiling for the noodles. Over here, we have shrimp. And then over here, we have, I know, 3 different types of noodles, but they're still the same. Fettuccine noodles. And then we have the best Prego Alfredo sauce. So
Now the shrimp needs to be peeled.
the shrimp, I will peel the shrimp. You guys will watch me. But if you guys are looking for a great Alfredo sauce to use Prego, homemade style. It's a good one. But right now I am about to peel the tails off of the shrimp. One thing about Alfredo food, if you have shrimp and if you like shrimp, you will always have to peel the tails off, because if you don't, you'll have shells in your food and you'll be eating them, and you don't want that.
The shrimp is ready for you to peel.
Okay. Might be a long video because I can't stop it right now, but I will get a camera pretty soon. So hopefully you guys enjoy this 31-minute video probably. Mom, should I get like a rag to put under the shrimp to do?
You're just gonna peel it.
Oh, okay.
Leave the shell.
So we're going over here and we are about to peel. Okay, let me get a napkin. Where's the rag? I'm in my washer right now. To get a rag so I can set, oh, that's loud. But to set my phone up.
No.
Okay.
I'll videotape for you.
Okay. So right now, I'm about to wash my hands. So my hands might be a little dirty. Always have to make sure your hands are clean. Okay? Without. Okay? You said the shell's in here, right? Or leave the shells
Either
in
way.
Okay. So I'm not used to peeling these type of shrimps. Yep, you do it like that. And just peel it off. Oops. Don't want to tear the whole thing up. Just like that. Then you keep peeling to make sure all the shells are off. And yeah, this is all I'm doing. Ugh. Make sure the shells are off. Throw that in there. And keep going. Comment down below if you guys ever tried these shrimp. I'm new to this type of shrimp because I'm usually getting cooked shrimp. But this is raw shrimp. We're trying something new this time. And so as you guys can see, there's legs there, which I'm new to. And these are, make sure, number 1 priority that you have to do when you're doing shrimp, okay? Even seafood, you have to clean the seafood. Make sure you get all the meat out, because meat is important. Then after I'm done doing this, I will eventually rinse the shrimp off, because sometimes it comes with poop in them. So you have to clean them out. So, yeah. And another thing about shrimp, you have to make sure you get the legs off if you're dealing with. Ugh, I can't get it when you're dealing with this type of shrimp. Ew, it stinks. So this video might be like a lot of minutes. I don't know how much, but probably like 42 minutes. But some people like a lot of minutes for the videos. So I'm trying to do longer videos instead of seconds because I know you guys are like, that's lame. Do more minutes. So I'm trying to do this for you guys, but bear with me because right now I'm working on my phone, and on my birthday, hopefully I get a vlogging camera, Mom, and so I can really vlog and get good videos to the point where I can pause and do stuff like that. But right now, as you guys know, I cannot pause my videos because I have an iPhone. But I can't pause my videos because it does not have a pause button. And if I pause it, the video will stop completely. So that's why I'm just working with this right now. As you guys can see, I missed a little meat. So what's what you do? Bring it out, yeah. Get the meat out. Ooh, don't tear it though. Try to get the meat all out of there, like that. And here's the bowl. Like 5 shrimps in there, but that's the bowl the shrimp is going into. This is the shells. So, yeah, try to speed up the process. But, yeah. Moo, would you like to go show them what's going on over there so I can finish this? Get up!
All right, y'all. So we have today, dun, 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 dun. We got a little chicken sauteed style with a little seasoning. Ooh, yes. With the brown. It's so chickenish. Yes. With the boiled water. Because then what we're going to do is we're going to put the broccoli florets in there. Floret style. Ooh, yes. This broccoli floret is the truth. If you've ever had broccoli florets, y'all know it is the truth. Yes. And then we also have these other broccoli florets. The broccoli florets is going down in our DMs right now. But we got the broccoli florets with the chicken.
So tell them what we are going to be cooking if they don't know already.
And then with the chicken, we got the pasta, the fettuccine. Oh, yes, the fettuccine. Because today we're going to be cooking dun, 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 dun.
Alfredo!
Oh, yes.
But the tip about me is if I eat Alfredo, I completely have to have.
Have
noodles.
to. That must have.
Shrimp.
Must be shrimp.
My number 1 Prego Alfredo sauce.
Prego.
And the chicken.
Prego. Prego.
Prego.
Okay, Moo. If you want to bring him over here and show him what's going on with the water.
Okay, what's going on with the water right now?
So the water is pretty much all the way to the boil. Some people put salt in here for taste and for the noodles not to stick. We're gonna do a little olive oil.
Ooh.
And if you don't have olive oil, I'm sure a little vegetable oil would do.
Ba-boom.
And then now we're just gonna let that finish boiling for about 4 more minutes, and then we will put the pasta in and let that get al dente. For those that don't know what al dente is it's not too terribly soft noodles, but it'll give you a little bite back. It'll be a little not chewy, but
Perfect. Just right
for Alfredo sauce. And we're just going to finish sauteing that around, and as soon as Samaya is done peeling the shrimp, we're going to add this, and we want to add the shrimp while the chicken is still cooking and not all the way done, so that way they can coincide and get all good together. The shrimp will take some of the flavoring from the chicken that's already seasoned. So looks like our pasta is doing its thing over here. So we will begin to add our noodles now.
Add in the noodles.
Take them over to the noodles so they can
The noodles.
So, of course, we always end up with a little bit of extra noodles. So we're gonna use the noodles that we already have. We're gonna come on over here and we're gonna just pour it out on our hand like this. Okay. And I do want to break these up because right now they're too long. You can leave them whole, personal preference, but I don't want to have to bite into an extra long noodle. So we're gonna open the other and we're gonna do the same thing. Pour a little bit in your hand.
Oh, a little bit. Not a lot, but just a little bit.
At a time, so that way you can manage the break. Push it down in your hand like so.
Ba-boom.
Break it in half. Throw it in the pot.
Throw it in the pot.
Simple stuff, you guys. Now, one thing I always do is I'm bad at measuring how many noodles to meat to vegetable ratio with this. I always end up with extra noodles, but I'd rather have more than less. And I'm gonna grab a spoon like this.
A spoon like that.
rinse it off.
Rinse them off at the end. Just get them all peeled. And we're gonna come over here, stir the oil